Dignitaries on the dais and the participants of this event. Good morning to all of you. We have been privileged enough to witness a great marathon today, co-sponsored by our bank, Syndicate Bank. For the last 13 years, this marathon has been going on. To start with, Syndicate Bank did it for about 8 to 9 years. Now we have been sponsoring this event. We are very privileged and very proud that this event has become very successful. So I'm sure that in the years ahead, this program will become bigger and bigger in sizes. Thank you for the organizers and thank you for other sponsors also, and thank you for all the participants who have taken part in this marathon, and thanks for the winners. Thank you very much.
It's been an honor for me to be here today, sir, and to witness such a fantastically organized marathon, for which I must congratulate the organizers. I really couldn't imagine how they could have managed 10,000 people on a day like this. And also to the sponsors who wholeheartedly supported this event. It's really nice to see people coming out and supporting such events with money and in kind and all that. Today when I was there at the podium and I saw so many people just before the start line trying to start the marathon, even I felt like, running. But I was very certain that I am not mentally strong enough to run more than 100 meters. So I decided not to join these guys. But I think that's the reason why. It's because of your mental strength that you managed to be there at the start line and also complete your respective runs. And for that, a huge congratulations, and also congratulations to everybody who won a prize today. I hope this event becomes bigger and bigger in passing years, in coming years. And of course, it's top 3 right now. Hopefully, it should become top 1 soon. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
It's definitely much better than what was there in the previous years. And many new sponsors also have come, especially ICICI.